Welcome, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Evelyn. And we are still going on giving tips on how to make yourself money. How to make yourself money. Um, Before we go, continue to subscribe if you're watching wherever you are. Continue to subscribe at the button here and comment, like, and share so you know whenever I upload the new videos. I'm going to show you some few things today. Last time I was showing you how I make money by writing the books and teaching online. Today I'm going to help you to create or know how to write the news in order to open a social media page. For example, if you are opening a Facebook page, for your Facebook page to be read, to have audience, you need to build the audience first. So you can put the adverts there so the advertisers can come to your Facebook page and advertise, and you start generating the income online. So let me tell you, or let me start with this news creating. I'm just going to give you just the basics on news ethics. Like you'll have to know how to write the news, gather news, report the news. And I've got the book in Amazon. It's been published about 2 days ago. It's about the news. I'll show you the book by the end of this video. I hope so. I don't forget. So let's continue. News ethics, also known as journalism ethics, encompasses a set of principles and standards that guide journalists and new organizations in the practice of reporting and disseminating information. These ethic guidelines aim to ensure that news is accurate, fair, and trustworthy, thereby maintaining the credibility of media and fostering an informed public. Key principles of news ethics: accuracy and truthfulness, fairness and impartiality, impedance, minimizing harm. I'll just go through the introduction: accountability, integrity. Then we've got ethical dilemmas in journalism. Under it, we've got this confidentiality, vice versa, public interest, privacy, professor right to know, graphic content, political powers, bias, commercial pressures, case studies and examples. Author case, standard ethical reporting, the jargon player scandal, and so on and so on. So then we've got five W's: who is involved in your news, what happened, where did it happen, when did it happen, why did it happen, how how did it happen. Those are the W's you use to write the news, so we can say now your news are or has all the stories covered. Examples of using the five W's in your stories: headlines, a new recycling program launched on city schools. Who? The city's Department of Education and local environmental organization. What? A new recycling program aimed at reducing waste and promoting environmental awareness among students. Where? All public schools in the city. When? Announced on the 23rd June 2024 and set to begin in the upcoming school year. Why? To educate students about the importance of recycling and to reduce the environmental footprint of the city school system. How? By implementing recycle bins in classrooms and organizing educational workshops on sustainability. Using the five W's ensures that a news story is comprehensive and provide readers with all the necessary information to understand the event used to being reported. So I'm just giving you the example. Like I said, I've got the book. I've written a book, a full book about writing the news. These ethics topics, they are there, they are covered there. You'll know every step of it. So I'm only showing you that if you want to open a Facebook page, then you want the adverts to go there, or not even the Facebook page or social media page. Let's say you want to create a website page where you put the news there, maybe hourly or every 2 hours or on daily basis. Let's say you said yourself that I'm going to put the 5 items, the news items, 5 news items each passing day, so people can come and comment there. Then, when people come and comment there, lots of them, then you know what? The business owners, the companies, the organizations, they will see, oh, this page or this website is being read a lot. Then we'll have to go there, put our advert so people can know about our services, so they will go straight to our website or our page and buy the item we are selling or the services we are selling. That's how we make money. But you'll have to organize and create the audience first. You don't just rush and say, no, I want to make money fast, fast. There's no double up. You'll have to create the audience first. Then the audience will give you the money, will give you the income, because the buyers will come. The advertisers will come and advertise in your page or advertise in your website. Now I'm in Canva. I'm going to show you how we create, after we created or after we have collected, let's say maybe enough audience. Now we'll have to create the posters, so we will promote in other search engines maybe, or other pages like that. So you will have to sign up in canva.com. As you can see, I'm in canva.com. If you want to create, like now I'm on video, I clicked on video because I'm recording. Let's say now I want to do what? To create a poster, a simple poster. Let me show you how we do it. I click here, there is a poster, then I wait for Canva to open the templates for me so I can search and create a nice poster full of information so people can see that my poster is there. So here are the templates. I can choose from. Some are sold. I will have to search for a free poster. Let's say I choose this one. By just clicking here, it will just come right here, and I will edit wherever I don't want. Let's say now I don't want this picture. I just delete it, and instead there, I'm going to upload my picture there, my picture there. Suppose I upload this one, yeah. Then I it's about the spa zone business now, because we're doing massage, we are doing the scanning. That's why I'm putting those. So I'll have to search for the relevant pictures which will go straight. I can even put this one again. Let's say I take this one to here. Come on. uh Then here I must put, we are doing some detox too. I have to search for the picture is in my laptop. The ones I uploaded, if they are not uploaded, you'll have to upload them afresh, so you don't struggle. Here we are detoxing people. See? Then we've got what? The medication. I can put this one. Where's that space? Here. Is yeah, you see? Then I can maybe I don't want this. Ta-da. I want to write spa zone here and decrease the size. Add scan, detox, massage, and herbs. That's the services we are offering on Spazone business. I'm trying to show you how we create these things. So let me take it up here, increase the size a little bit. You see, then we got this right here. We don't need it. Then I write my number 5301939 or 6349934. So people, they will call here or WhatsApp here if they need the services for Spazone. I'm just showing you how we do these things. You see, save it there, then move this one, or I can, yeah, put it here, right? And maybe bold it, increase the size a little bit. You see, then we don't need this box here. Ta-da! Ta-da! That's how we do it. Maybe I don't use this. Also, we take this out. Suppose you want to change the color of this, you can change it to the way you want. You see, that's how. But I must make sure that the text is shown clearly so people can know what the spa zone is offering. Let me increase the size. That's the poster. That's the poster we just created. And you know what? It's complete. It's got now I can share it to my Pinterest. You know what I like about the Pinterest? It has got the linkable link. Whenever a customer click at that, they go straight to your shop. See? We do scan, detox, massage, and give helps. WhatsApp or call plus 266 53019339 or plus 266 634 99340. Then here, I've got a website where I'm teaching um, the computer online, but also the spa zone is there. So now I write that website name online dot co dot za dot co sorry dot co dot za. Then I say publish. It's now publishing, but it's like I did not write the title. It doesn't matter. It will just show. Post publish. Let's go and check out our post now. So people, when they you see only that that post that we just made it here. See, whenever they click this link, they will go straight to online. Let me save it and go there. I'll show you. Whenever customer click here, online, they will go straight to online website. Here we are. This is my website. You see, that's how we do it, guys. So stop just using the social media for fun and let's create money. First, remember, you'll have to gather the audience. After the audience, then um, you write the news and people will come comment in your news there. Like now, let me show you my Pinterest growth. Let me go to analytic overview. You'll see it's growing. It's growing. The last 30 days, let's just check on the last 30 days. The last 30 days, you can see how it is growing. You see, these are the online courses I'm teaching on Udemy, then the books I'm selling on Amazon, and the stuff like you see, those are the posters you can see now. It has got 55 views the last 30 days. And so now I'm gathering, like today, just today is the, oh, not today, yesterday. It was the 29th of June 2024. You see, the impression was 8. So it's growing. That's how we gather the audience. After your page or the website is read, has the people, you'll see a growth. So welcome. So remember to subscribe, share, and comment on my YouTube channel so I can know how you feel. Subscribe, 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 share, and do all this stuff. So welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. Welcome.